As the last day of the Moto Preacher's North Luzon trip dawned, it was about time to put his newly acquired Filipino driving style to the test.
Thrown back in my seat, kicking my button for the overdrive. Gonna chase
Would he make it to his final destination?
the direction that I can't decide on. I think
Or get swallowed by Pinoy traffic?
just to get me inside. So wait and see, what's it gonna be? Take the wheel and let's try. Come on, let's drive. Hands up, price to pay. Whatever's waiting for you at the end of the line. You're never gonna know if you never try. Plane's right there beside me, finding it hard to feel alive. So read between the lines, take control, let us try. Come on, let's try. Down to business, are you with us? Down to business, are you with us now?
Hello? What the fuck? Stupid TV. Finally. Thank you, boss. If you made it this far, congratulations. Your attention span is officially better than that of a goldfish. And you're probably paying more attention than most of the dumbasses out there. And now it's your turn. Do the Moto Preacher favor. Smack the like button. Groovy. Hit subscribe. Family. And leave your brain farts in the comments. You'd better do as I say, cause if not, well, you still remember Joey from episodes 5 and 7?
Joey, stop that. Oh,
You do? Groovy. You know, we live in modern times, and this isn't my first rodeo. So if you don't follow my instructions, I'll track you down and haunt your ass like a deer. But instead of a bullet between your eyes, I'm going to unleash Joey on you, and he'll have a little talk with you. FYI, don't be fooled by his cuddly bear-like appearance. Even though a lot of people these days, especially those with Western JJs, say crap like they'd rather run into a bear than a man. What a stupid load of bullshit. We really need to get closer again, otherwise the future is screwed. Sorry, I got carried away. But a lot of people are idiots, you know? And humanity is getting dumber and dumber every day. Back to the topic. Well, Joey's like a bear, times 10. He may not be the sharpest tool in the shed, but he's ridiculously strong. And he's got his nickname for a reason, you know? And you'd better not get him angry. So which option will it be? Do it. Come on. Do it. Family. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. Do it. We can play this game all day. Do it, do it, do it. Come on, do it.
Snap that.
You hear that in the background? That's Joey, already down to business. Having fun with someone who dared to watch the Moto Preacher's videos without leaving a like, subscribing, or dropping a comment. Oh, that must have hurt. As the Moto Preacher's right-hand man, I can clearly see that a lot of you watch the videos but don't engage. And this is not groovy. Not groovy at all. Trust me, you don't want to end up like that poor bastard over there. Last chance. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Groovy. Groovy. Do it. Family. Family. Good job. I'm really proud of you. And so is my boss. Those of you who followed my instructions, groovy. For everyone else, Joey's heading straight your way now. Thanks to modern times, you can track your estimated time of ass beating on your pocket black mirror, since it's glued to you like a leech 24/7 anyway. Hey, I wasn't done with my rap. So, the Moto Preacher's North Luzon trip ended where it had started. Over 2,000 kilometers of throttle blasting fun left a lasting impression on him, along with some newly honed riding skills. Even the local popo was amazed by his adaptation of the Filipino riding style. And so, it was time for the Moto Preacher to leave, with his mind already on the next adventure. But the opening question from episode 1 still lingers in the air. Let's ask the Moto Preacher himself. So, boss, is it really more fun in the Philippines? Damn right. Absolutely groovy. 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 I really lost my heart to the Philippines and to its people. One thing is certain, I'll be back. Groovy Family. Salamat po. Your Moto Preacher.